So hey guys, welcome back to my Python series, and today in this video we will discuss something about tuples. So tuples are another data structure in Python. Here tuples are similar to list, but the difference is they are immutable. Means you cannot just change the value or replace the value inside the tuple. Here in case of list is something the list of some items like fruits, names, etc. Tuples are very similar to list, but you cannot just change the data once you assign inside the tuple. So let me just show you how to just write a tuple. So let's just make a tuple for fruits, for the name of fruits. Here our name is fruits, and here to in case of list you just were typing square brackets. Here in case of tuple there will be normal parenthesis, and inside it let's just name some fruits: orange, again apple, again banana. And here is our tuple, and if I want to print this tuple, we will write print and then fruits. And here in the output, you can see our tuple is printed, in which we have our items. You can also define index in our tuple. If you want to just print our item present at our zeroth index, then just write fruits, then square bracket, and then 0. Here in the output, you can see orange is printed. But one thing you cannot do with tuple is you cannot just reassign the value. Let's just say we want to replace our orange with grape, and if I just type fruits 0 and then grapes, and then here in the output you can see there is error, because you cannot just change the value once you assign inside the tuple. So this is the difference between list and tuple. Also if you just not type this parenthesis, and then also it is okay. uh, and if I just remove this, you can see here in the output our program will run. So there is also no need to type that parenthesis here in tuples. So this is how tuples are written in Python. So this video was all about basic introduction about tuples in Python. So check it out, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section.